Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, compass, heated front seat, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.